other things happen.
Oh,
Wartime.
there's that. I forgot I have a knot on mine. Mine's a little more aggressive.
Welcome back. This is Sit and Be Fit Part 2. We're going to use some bands to do some resistance training. I got my lovely assistant Des here again, and she is fashioning
the Paiseec electric chair.
Go ahead and turn it sideways so you can see the name right there.
Yeah, watch your toes.
All right, Paiseec.
It is an awesome new chair.
So we wanted to show you how mobile you can be with exercise and in this chair. Okay, this is Sit and Be Fit. You can do it in any chair. All right, these armrests
can come up.
There you go.
Should I turn it off?
Unless you want to hit it and get in an accident, maybe. I don't know. That might be more enjoyable. What we're going to show you today, while I sit in a stool and Des sits in our Paiseec mobility chair, is some Sit and Be Fit with some TheraBands. So these are the different colors of band. I thought I'd go over them with you briefly. These colors can change depending upon brand, but this is the TheraBand brand, name brand. It goes from easiest to hardest. They come in bands like this or tubes like this, okay? So you can use either one, but again, easiest to hardest. And we'll do some exercises with these today. Des, pick your poison. What color do you like?
I'd like to go for yellow because it's easiest, but let's see here. You can see the resistance too. Which one's easier? I'd say green, I think. I'm gonna go green.
All right. So obviously if you shorten up the band, then that's going to be harder. So if I get a long, big handhold on here, it's not as bad. If I get a short handhold on here, I can't go as far because it gets tougher.
Because the tension is.
The tension is greater, exactly. Length tension curve. So
remember you said get kind of to the edge of your chair a little bit.
Good posture,
yep.
Exactly. If you can sit towards the edge of the chair, get your back off the backrest, that's probably better. So we're not going to hit each other today. So I'm going to turn a little sideways.
I can, yeah.
Yeah.
This does actually click to manual, and I think I might. Do you mind putting me in manual so I can move around a little bit?
So these wheels we can click back. Okay, now she can roll.
There, now I can move myself. That's so nice.
It's a super nice chair.
I love the chair.
So let's start with some shoulder exercises. So the 3-way shoulder exercise, you just go out horizontally like this. All right. So
and are we trying to go all the way straight out, or is it just?
Good question. Keep your elbows straight. Bring the band all the way back to your chest.
Oh, okay.
All right.
The band to the chest. That's a good little point.
Let's try 3 more. I think that might be about 10 or so at that point. 2 and 3. Make sure you're not holding your breath. Okay. And then we're going to go diagonal like that. Okay. And bring them both back equally. I have a lot of people that just like do one. They forget they have 2 arms.
That's what I'm doing right now, actually. Okay, yeah. I have 2 arms.
2 arms. We're exercising both. And you want to squeeze your shoulder blades together as you bring it back.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm going to go this way. Just
there. Keep it the same. So I usually do 10 in each direction. So now we're going to go the opposite direction here. We'll do. Did you do that one already?
I started to move to it.
Oh,
so
okay.
I went a little bit before you. Don't mind.
Always like that. Okay.
It was because I forgot I had an arm. So I thought it'd be easier to remember if I switch sides.
So this is great to work the back of the shoulders, okay, the front of the shoulders. It's good for that. All right. So you did good. That's good.
I did. Okay.
All right.
I didn't know if I had to make up.
Now we're going to do, while all the bands in front of us, we'll do some biceps. So you can put 1 foot or 2 feet.
I noticed mine have little.
You got handles.
I have handles.
So we usually put circles little in there for the handles or knots on the end. All right. If you don't, you just wrap your hands up. Okay.
You want about in the middle of your feet?
Right. Equal on both sides.
Okay.
And you can do 2 different ways you can do this. You can do a curl like this with your palms towards you. All right.
Oh, like green band.
Works the bicep muscle, or you can do it with your thumbs towards you. All right. That's a hammer curl. That works your brachialis muscle. They're both great. Both have different function. Okay. So you can do either or both. Okay. Mix it up a little bit if you want. Okay. I forget how many we've done. 6?
I think we're on 6.
7? Okay.
I'm just going back and forth between the two.
So there's no right number. It's what you can tolerate. Okay. You know, just giving you an idea of the exercises you can do. All right, good. So that's the biceps.
I'm regretting the green band on the biceps.
I was wondering if you're going to make it all the way through.
Yeah, that was, yep.
So there's a couple ways you can do the tricep exercise. I'll show you this one where you hold it with one hand and push it down with the other.
Okay, so my loop should still work, or should I wrap it?
No, that'll work. You can get a little tighter grip depending on the resistance band. And you push down.
Okay.
And you should feel this right in the back of the arm, right here.
Let me see what that hand's doing. So you're straight up with this one.
Yep, just holding that one.
Down. I could do that. Oh no, we're late.
The chair wants to participate.
Added resistance.
Yeah, that's true. You're going to get resistance in both directions.
And then you're just, oh my goodness. Let's try it this way. Shorten things up.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh, that's a good idea.
There.
Not only pretty, but smart too.
Do I need to slow it down? I feel like I'm like, cut.
That must be too easy of a band for you then.
Well, you know, the bicep curls might be hard, but this one. What are we calling this?
Tricep extension or tricep press.
Okay.
Okay, so we work the front of the arms with the bicep curl, and we're working the back of the arms with the tricep press. All right. So we want to be even and symmetrical, so you got to do the other arm.
Where are you? What are you wrapping around? I have it around my thumb.
I just have it around my finger.
Oh. Okay. There's no right or wrong way, I assume.
As long as it doesn't snap like that.
Scared me there.
Wake you up.
Yes. I think I like the thumb. I've always got to be a little bit different than you.
Make sure if you're doing this with a partner, you don't snap your partner.
Right.
They may no longer be your partner.
Mm-hmm. Or at least they might be at a distance. Next time we're doing this virtually, you're not going to be near me.
A lot of things happen.
Oh.
Wartime.
There's that. I forgot I have a knot on mine. Mine's a little more aggressive.
Okay, we're going to do another safer one now.
I only have a hair problem. Ow.
I'm not sure what that's like.
You do not know what's...
Sounds like a personal problem to me.
It is.
Now you can get both triceps at the same time. Again, if you have a neck issue, don't do it like this, okay?
Just the only thing I'm noticing is it's kind of pulling into my collarbone.
Yeah,
would it be okay if I pulled it out further?
Just what I was saying. Perfect. Yeah.
Because I still feel it.
Too. Now, if you let go of the band on accident, you're just going to smack yourself.
I deserve it after almost hitting you, I guess.
Okay, so let's switch to, we've done some shoulders, some arms. Now we're going to work the chest. All right, so we put it under the armpits.
Still in the right place there.
Perfect.
Okay.
So I like it under the armpits because it seems to not get tangled up with your arm. Some people do it out here and do like that. It kind of wraps on my arm. So if you put it here, you know, I just come forward. I like to bring the hands together. Wait,
let me see what your thumbs are doing.
I have them out so because before it kind of pulls.
Oh yeah,
it pulls in there. So I keep my thumbs out of it.
Okay, I agree.
You can wrap it like that if you want to have a little better control of it. Bring your hands together at the end so you really get a good peak
power punch there.
That's right. You can do one at a time if you want. Okay. Get a little trunk rotation in there.
I like that one.
We're totally off.
Yeah. This is us, Monty. We've learned this. We will never be in sync. My only thing is, oh my goodness. I think I need to flatten out my band. My band got a little rounded around my back, and I have a bit of back fat it was cutting into, so flatten me out there, Monty.
Okay. I don't like flat women.
Thank you.
Okay.
Never mind. It just goes back. That's okay, though.
Doesn't help.
I'm just a baby. I complain.
All right. So now the other one I'm going to show you takes a partner or a doorknob or a railing. So since we got partners, so let me see the center of your band. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll hold the center. You hold the ends. And this is a trust factor to here too. So I trust she won't let go. She trusts I won't let go. And what you're going to do is pull it back like this. Squeeze your shoulder blades. So now we're working the back muscles, and she's rowing.
Well, how do I want my thumbs? Up or sideways?
I would say up.
I would say up too. It feels better.
Better. And you squeeze your shoulder blades as you come back. Chest up, shoulders back. I'm going to hold your chair.
Thank you. I appreciate that. My manual chair kind of moved.
If you're on chair with wheels, especially both of you, you ended up really close.
I'm going to keep my chin up just because.
Keep your right.
I was thinking I have double chins when I put my chin down. But
so it's more of a vanity thing.
Yeah, it's also, that's exactly it. Okay.
Okay.
You want your turn?
Now bring your, go ahead. I'll switch. So she didn't let go on me, so I better not let go on her. Okay. You want to make sure they're both about the same. And the thing I was going to say is you can bring your hands up to your chest. I usually prefer down to my waist so I don't end up doing this with my shoulders on accident, okay? So just like so. All right?
Where was I at with mine? I think
you're kind of midway.
Yeah.
Yep. So
looks like it works better.
All right, so that's good.
Okay.
So we got shoulders, biceps, triceps, chest, and back. So we kind of hit a lot of it right there. There's a lot of other things you can do with this. You can sit on the band and do shrugs. There was another one I had in mind there.
Is there one for behind to stretch things?
That would be like triceps. That'd be a good tricep workout.
Want to show me a tricep workout?
Well, that was,
did we already do
like this one.
We did a tricep workout. I'm just complicating things.